So, Dennis, how are you liking Australia so far?
Oh, I really do. I love it. It's fantastic. Except those stupid mosquitoes are everywhere.
Yeah, they are, especially down here near the river.
Yeah.
I'm going to sort you out, mate. I'll give you an Australian remedy for that.
Cool.
A gumleaf necklace.
And this deters the mosquitoes?
Yeah, mate. Yep.
Man, how long does it take this to start working?
Oh, it'll kick in a minute.
Man, it's really pretty here.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shit!
What?
Dennis, stop playing with a koala and come over here, mate.
How is this helping me?
Well, Dennis, it is helping you, mate. I mean, it's not actually the gum leaves, though, that deter the mosquitoes here. The mosquitoes here actually don't like the smell of koalas. But I would advise you next time, pick a friendly one, mate, and you'll have it around your neck all day.
I'm starting to hate Australia.